Good morning children, I Oja ma'am. In previous class, I had explained about introduction to Flash CS6. In this class, I am going to explain you some advanced feature of Flash like symbols, library, twinning and many more other topics. So let's see. Chapter 2 Flash CS6 Advanced Features. Symbols. What is symbol? Whatever data like text, shapes, movies you give to the flash, all these called symbols. Some important keywords of symbols like graphics, button, symbol, a button symbol, movie clip. Graphic symbol is used for creating a static image. A button symbol is used to create interactive buttons that can have rollover effects and animation applied to them. Movie clip is used to create reusable piece of animation. Movie clip have their own timeline that is independent of the main timeline. Movie clip button is also used to create movie. Let's see how to convert a shape into symbol. Steps to convert a shape into symbol are: first, draw a circle using oval tool. Second step, use the selection tool and select the circle. Third, select modify, convert to symbol on the menu bar. The convert to symbol dialog box appears. Then choose graphics and give the name of shape and click on OK button. This is the step to convert shape into symbol. Library. What is library? Library is a place where all the symbols stored. All the symbols used in a flash movie are stored in the library, from where you can drag and drop the new instant of your symbol into your movie. Steps to create a symbol. Click on Insert menu, New symbol, Create new dialog box appear. Type circle in the name box, the text box, and select graphics option in the type section and click on OK button. Next is sound. Sound is the soul of animation. Flash can import a variety of standard file format including AIFF, WAV file and MP3 files. Steps to import a sound. Click on Insert menu, Timeline, then Layer. Click on File menu, Import to Library. The Import to Library dialog box appear. Browse the location and find the required sound file. Click on then OK button. Your sound file is imported on your file. Next is twinning. What is twinning? Twinning is a short form of in between, which is the process of generating intermediate frames between two images to give the appearance that the first image evolves from the second image. These are two types: classic twinning and shape twinning. Step to perform a simple classic twin. Click on File menu, New. The New dialog box opens. Flash document in the Type list box. Click on OK button. Select the Insert menu, New symbol, then create new symbol. Type circle in the Name text box. Click on Graphics option, then click on OK button. Using the oval tool, draw a circle anywhere in the first frame. Click on Scene 1 button on the timeline. Click on Window menu and select Library option. Right click inside the frame 12 and select Insert Keyframe. With the selection tool, move the circle in the frame 12 to right side on the stage. In the timeline, left click the frame 1, then hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and left click on the frame 12. Frame 1 to 12 will be selected. In the Insert menu, select Classic Twin option. The animation is applied to play the animation. This is the steps to apply simple classic twin on an object. See, this is the step. Next is shape twin. Shape twin is used to create a morph effect, means it can change the shapes, size. Morphing is an animation style that dedicates one shape turning into another shape. Steps to perform a simple shape twin. Select File menu, New. New document dialog box appears. Flash document in the Type list box. Click on OK button. A blank flash file will be created. Using oval tool, draw a circle. Right side click inside the frame 12 and select Insert Keyframe. Select Selection tool. Place cursor near the outer edge of the circle as shown. Left click and hold the mouse button and drag the changes the shape of circle into sometime like in figure. Left click in frame 1 on the timeline. In the Insert menu, select Shape Twin option. To play the animation, hold down the Control key and while pressing Enter key on the keyboard. This is a step to apply shape twin on a circle. Next is animating text. text animation are no difference from regular animation using motion twin. Steps to add animation to text. Select File menu, New. The New Document dialog box opens. Flash document. In the type box, click on OK button. A blank flash file will be created. Insert menu, then New symbol. Create new symbol dialog box open. Type the text in the name text box. Click the graphics option button in the type section. Click on OK button. The symbol definition scene opens. Using the text tool, add some text in the first frame. Format the text as. Click the scene 1 button on the timeline to go to scene 1. Add newly created symbol to top left corners of the stage in frame 1 by left clicking and dragging it from the library panel. Insert a new keyframe in figure 24. With the selection tool, move the text to middle of the stage in frame 24. Enlarge the text in frame 24 using free transform tool. Left click in frame 1 on the timeline. Select the classic twin from insert menu. To play the animation, hold down the control key while pressing the enter key on the keyboard. These are the some steps to create animation on text. So, I hope you understand all the slide very well. Children, your second chapter has finished here. I am attaching PDF file with this video. I hope you will do all the work very neatly in your fair copy. That's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.